Hey guys, welcome to our vlog. Yeah, and for this vlog, we're going to do the empty house tour. This house tour is going to be empty. We have like hardly any furniture. So you see boxes in random places. Yeah. Because, well, you know, we just moved in, so. Yeah, also, check out the video we did before this one, and we posted it on Sunday, but it explains everything that how we ended up in this house pretty much. So it's got all the details. It's a long video. Yeah. You probably want to know. Yeah. All the tips on moving and everything. So yeah, we don't want to bore y'all with this intro. I know y'all came here for the house tour. So yeah, let's get right into it. So first we're gonna start off in the garage. This is the garage right here. Yep. So it's probably gonna be like a storage area slash, we don't know what we want to do with it yet. We're not putting our car in it because, I mean, there's no door that leads to the inside, and we don't like I don't really like parking in garages anyway. It's just kind of creepy. So yeah, right now we have like our old desk in here. I don't know, if you guys have any ideas for a garage, let us know. Because there's no car going in here. Alright, so it's our storm door, little decoration here. When you walk in, this is the living area. We have our desks here, but we're gonna leave those here. They're gonna be moved somewhere else. We're gonna put the TV, we're gonna have the TV up right here. And then we're just gonna have like a sectional here, and like a rug, coffee table. It's a nice living area. Again, these desks will not be here. Then you go over here. And this is the dining area right here. With a nice little rectangular 6-seat dining table. And then I think we're gonna put our desk here. It's like a workstation. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna move those over there to here. I feel like it will just look better because back there is just too cluttered. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, we'll see. And then we're gonna put, this is like a bar area. I'm gonna put 2 bar stools here. It's already decorated. I think we can fit 3, right? You think so? It's kind of tight. Okay. Maybe, yeah, we could fit 3 or try. It's sunny in the background. And yeah, so this is the kind of like a little bar area right here. And then my favorite part of the house is the kitchen. And look how huge! It's a huge kitchen. We have so much storage space, like so many cabinets. I love the countertops. It kind of reminds me of our last apartment, like the countertops, which I'm glad because I love those countertops. So yeah, these are cabinets. We have so much space. I don't know what we're gonna keep in them. So obviously dishes and stuff, we gotta find like a designated area for stuff. And then it comes with the microwave and the stove. They said that these are new, so it's like a year old. So yeah, and then this is our refrigerator from our last apartment. It comes with a dishwasher as well. So yeah, I'm really in love with this kitchen. It's just big, and I love it. One, our roommate does all the cooking, so. Yeah, he'll get more use out of this. He'll get more use out of this than we will. Because he cooks. Over here is just the laundry area, right here. This is Sunny's crate. Sunny's abode. Sunny later, you might hear him. You already see him anyway, he's in the background. It's like his little area right here. Laundry stuff, we're still trying to fix that up. Yeah, and this is where the washer and dryer will go. We don't have one yet, but we're gonna get one soon. Like I said, empty house tour. So, all right, so we're going to the bedroom. So we come from the kitchen, dining room, back to the living room. This side is where all the bedrooms are. Watch your step. There's a baby gate for Sunny. Still have some boxes out, but okay. This is the smallest one. This is my room. Okay, so I don't have a bed just yet because my bed at the old place just fell apart, so it wouldn't make sense to bring it back over here. So I'm in the process of getting a bed. So right now I'm on the floor, but it has really good lighting in here. That's what I really like. So I think we might film most of our videos in here. So pretty much all my stuff's on the floor. I'm gonna get racks, bookcases. I'm gonna get a dresser, a bed. My room come together. You guys can see it. And then here is the closet. I have just a lot of closet space, but yeah, it's got a lot of. It's empty. A lot of my clothes are in this bin. I hate hanging up clothes. I really do. And then my I'm the opposite. And everything are up there, towels and all that good stuff. So, laundry basket, hamper. Yeah, so this is my room. I can't wait till I put it together and everything, but yeah, that's it. And then you come out here and go to the left, and here is our bathroom area. Erica and I share a bathroom, which is totally fine. I mean, it's not like it's super small and everything, and plus it makes it easier for me to kind of steal her stuff as well. I know you'd be doing that. Yeah, well, really, I think that's a pro for that. I don't steal your stuff. Alright, but but that's Erica's, all Erica's stuff. This is my stuff. We'll fix this bathroom up as well because we need some shelves, because here's an empty area right here. We can put like a shelf or something, or a rack and everything. And then over the toilet, if you guys can give us some ideas, that will help. But maybe like an over the toilet shelf or something like that, just to create more space. But we do have storage space out here, like in this hallway. That we keep all our hair stuff, cleaning, bathroom stuff.
It'll be more organized later.
Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely. We're just in the middle of unpacking stage, so everything's just kind of thrown everywhere, but you get a general idea. All right, so right here is my room. It's the second biggest room, and I have like everything a little bit organized, but I really want to get storage units. Like Ebony says, she's gonna get storage units. I'm gonna get obviously a dresser, because this is just not cute, and everything's just, yeah, everything's just kind of, it's like unorganized, organized a little bit, kind of like, I don't know. But I don't really like how it looks right now, so like I'm gonna get, I think, the Alex drawers and everything, so I'm gonna get that, and a dresser, and I think that's about it. I might get a vanity as well, because like, I really hate doing my makeup in the bathroom, so.
I do too.
Okay, I thought it was just me.
No, I don't like it.
Loved it.
No, I don't.
So maybe I'll get like some sort of vanity, I don't know. But yeah, this is my bed right here. His travel with me from the old place. It's from Jocelyn.
I see you still got that dusty pillow person over there. Pillow pet, whatever.
Pillow pet. It came from the 99-cent store and it's lasted me forever. And
Dusty.
I love it. And it's soft. And it's not dusty. It's been in the washing machine. It's just a little stained.
Yeah.
So it's clean.
It'll go to whack.
So yeah. I really want to make my room Hawaiian themed. So I have things saved on Pinterest that I'm gonna buy and make it kind of like a Hawaiian paradise type thing, like a little tuckaway. So oh yeah, it's my shoe rack and the hamper. I'm gonna keep that. I don't think I like the shoe rack, so I'm gonna get rid of the shoe rack. I don't know if you want it or not.
You don't like it?
I don't like it.
I might get it. I don't know. Depends on what I'm gonna decorate my room like.
Yeah, this is my room here. I love the size of it. I can do a lot with it, so I'm gonna try to do a lot with it. And this is my closet right here. This is actually the same size as my old closet, so it doesn't really bother me. I just have my clothes here hung up, bags down here, and then this side I just have dresses and coats, like my dressier clothes. Obviously I don't have a lot of dressier clothes, so I don't really go out that much, so that's that. Again, more organization is needed in this closet too, so, but we do the best we can. Done with the second bedroom. Is this a 3-bedroom? Plus we are living with our friend, and this is his room. I don't know, he might be asleep.
You want to say hi to the vlog?
Say hi. Why? Do you want to, are you asleep? Do you want to say hi? Do you want to say hi to the vlog, or are you asleep? Oh, sorry. But yeah, this is his room over here. He has the biggest room, and he has the bathroom in it.
Yeah, we have an overview of his room before he moved in, so we'll just show you guys what it looks like before he moved in.
Yes, that's the whole house, and we're gonna take you guys outside.
Back to the dining room.
It's a pretty big backyard. You guys get to meet Sunny. You've seen and heard him. Sunny!
Hi. Look at that. Say, say hi.
Guys, he's heavy. He's like 50 pounds now.
He's very
He
hyper.
turned 6 months, and he's
Say
over 50
hi,
pounds.
Sunny. Hi. Say hi. Oh, you said hi. You want to give them kisses? This is Sunny. You want to do the vlog with us? Do a tour? Oh, he's staying still too. Aww. It's Sunny. You're made for the camera.
I know, right? Alright, so this is the backyard. It's more concrete, and got like a strip of grass over here for Sunny to do his business. But yeah, I can't wait to decorate out here too, with like patio furniture and stuff. We have ideas. Juan's coming up with like a bonfire thing.
Fire pit.
What is it called?
A fire pit.
A fire pit, sorry, yeah. To put out here, and
gardening and all that stuff. So it'll be cool to see this yard kind of come together. But this is it. It's huge. No.
And it goes all the way over here.
From there to the gate. Also, Juan's thinking about putting a garden here. So
And he wants to grow like, what did he say?
let me say basil.
Basil and all that stuff. All that good healthy stuff. So
And then this is our neighbor's lemon tree.
yeah, and it falls, so we just pick it. Sonny, what are you eating?
Sunny steals the show.
So yeah, that's it for our house tour. I hope you guys liked it.
Yeah, that's our empty house tour. We will be doing, once we get it furnished, it's gonna be a process, y'all. Because
Yeah.
if anybody that's moved into like a house and you just kind of starting over, you know that it's gonna be a process. It's gonna be a process with us, with our rooms, living room, and everything. So yeah, be patient.
As we build, we'll show you guys like how the rooms come together and everything. Guys, he just choosing the most random stuff. We don't even know what it is. But
Yeah.
he doesn't normally swallow it. Normally he just spits it back out. But anyway, yeah. So yeah, as it comes together, we'll just kind of show you guys how we decorate it, and I just can't wait. It's
I know.
gonna be fun.
I'm excited.
I am
so,
too.
Yeah, especially with the living area. I'm really excited about the living area.
Make it all homey. And
I know. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope you guys enjoy your holiday. Yeah, and we'll see you guys on Sunday. Bye.